Could you wrap this up for me?
I can't finish my meal, so could you wrap this up for me to take home?
Could I get the check, please?
We've finished our dinner, so could I get the check, please?
What do you recommend?
It's my first time at this cafe. What do you recommend?
How long is the wait for a table?
The restaurant looks busy tonight. How long is the wait for a table for two?
Could I get this to go?
I don't have time to sit down, so could I get a cappuccino to go?
Are you ready to order?
The server approached our table and asked, "Are you ready to order?"
Could we get the check, please?
Excuse me, we've finished our meal, could we get the check, please?
I'd like to make a reservation.
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for a table of 4 tonight at 7.
What do you recommend?
Everything looks delicious on the menu, what do you recommend?
It's on me.
Don't worry about paying for coffee today, it's on me.
Can I get this to go?
I'm in a rush this morning, can I get a latte to go?
Could we get the bill, please?
We're finished eating, could we get the bill, please?
What do you recommend?
It's my first time here, what do you recommend from the menu?
Can I get this to go?
I'm in a rush, can I get this coffee to go?
Could I get a refill?
Excuse me, could I get a refill on my iced tea?
Do you have a table for two?
Good evening, do you have a table for two available near the window?
Could I get the check, please?
We are all done here, so could I get the check, please?
I have a reservation under my name.
Hello, I have a reservation under the name David Miller for 7 o'clock.